Halo guys, my name is Aulia Victoria, and my name is Aulia Victoria. Today we want to tell you about the impact of climate change on food.
Climate change causes the Earth's temperature to rise. Higher temperature leads to melting ice, higher sea level, drought, and more extreme weather everywhere. Accelerating climate change with various negative impacts such as extreme weather, rising sea level, ecosystem disturbance, and climate change on food.
Climate change is a big challenge for global food security in Indonesia. Rise in the temperature change level pattern recognizes the system such as food and self-sustaining food production.
Food crops such as rice, corn, and soybean experience a decrease in crop yield due to extreme temperature and wider spread of pests. In addition, stable water distribution and declining soil quality also contribute to a decrease in agricultural productivity.
Impact not only threatens food availability but also triggers a food crisis, price increases, and increases public health risks that depend on agricultural products. In addition, education and capacity building of farmers is also an important key in facing this challenge. With adequate knowledge about farming techniques that are adaptive to climate change, farmers can increase productivity while minimizing losses due to extreme weather. Government and related institutions need to encourage research and innovation in the development of heat and drought-resistant plant varieties, as well as strengthen efficient and water-saving irrigation system. Policies that support the protection of agricultural land from conversion as well as incentive programs for sustainable agricultural practice must also be put forward.
This collective effort will not only strengthen national food security, but also helping the nutritional needs of the community, maintain nutrition stability, and reduce vulnerability.
Effort to strengthen food security in the midst of climate change will also involve the utilization of data and digital technology, real-time weather monitoring, the use of geographic information system (GIS), as well as the application of artificial intelligence in the predicting harvest and food making distribution can increase the accuracy of decision making. This will enable quick and targeted intervention to prevent food supply disruption. In addition, it is important to put forward an agroecology approach that integrates environmental sustainability with agricultural production. Practices such as crop rotation, natural pest management, and increasing biodiversity will help maintain the balance of the ecosystem and strengthen plant resistance to climate change.
Social protection is also a crucial element with the provision of assistance and support to the most affected community groups, especially small farmers and poor families in vulnerable areas. Adequate assistance and access to financing can push them to transform towards a more resilient agricultural system.
With a joint commitment and holistic approach, Indonesia can not only reduce the negative impact of climate change on food, but also create an inclusive and sustainable agricultural system, which is able to ensure food availability for all levels of society now and in the future. By understanding and anticipating the impact of climate change on food, we can maintain the sustainability of the food system for a safer and more prosperous future for all Indonesian people.